Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted recordings from Android phone. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted voice recording or audio recording or call recording, so let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your phone recorder. Open phone recorder. After that, you can see three dot line, click on it. And in this I can see my all recordings, audio recording or call recording in this here. So first of all, I can delete some recording. You can see in this time I can easily delete some call recording, audio recording or recordings. But in this time I can easily recover or restore my all deleted recordings. So let's see how to do that. And then go back. Right top corner, click on it. Scroll down. You can see recently deleted items. Open it. Remember, deleted items can be stored in the trash for up to 30 days. And in this you can see my all deleted recordings in this here. And in this I can easily recover or restore my all deleted recordings, audio recording or call recording. So let's see. So in this you can choose and select your recover deleted recordings. After that, tap on please. And then click on it. Click here. You can see restore or delete option. In this time you can choose restore option. Click on it. You can see in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted recordings, call recordings or audio recordings. And in this time I can show another way. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Google Play Store, open it. You can see recover audio call record. Please install this app. Open it. In this time you can choose let's start. Allow. You can see photos, videos, audios, documents, contacts. So in this time you can choose audios, recover lost audios. Click on it. Wait few seconds or wait few minutes. And in this here I can see my all deleted recordings, audio recordings or call recordings in this here. And in this time I can easily recover or restore my all deleted recordings. So let's see. And then open it. And in this time you can choose and select your need deleted recordings. Click here. Click on it. After that you can choose restore now. For file restore to restored audios. That's when I can easily recover or restore my deleted audios or recordings. And in this way I can easily recover or restore my all deleted voice recording, audio recording or call recording, easily recover or restore. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.